This is Coach Jess, and today we're talking about how to do a lateral lunge. Let's talk about what muscles are activated and then dive into how to do the movement. When you do the lateral lunge, you're going to feel the muscles of the hips and the butt or the glutes. You're also going to feel the muscles of the quads, the hamstrings on the backside, and you might even feel your calf muscles. Now, we're going to be supporting our weights in our hands by also engaging our core, and our arms are going to be holding the weight. So this is almost like a full body workout. So now let's dive into the form. When you do a lateral lunge, I always teach you guys to think about the shifting that you're doing with your body. So you want to spread your feet to a straddle position as wide as you can get them. You remember how we talked about squats? Squats is all about bending at the hips and the knees. So we're doing that, but we're doing that movement on one leg. So instead of bending both legs with our squat, we're going to actually use one leg bend, the other leg stays out straight. If you struggle with mobility, I want you to bend as much as you can, bring your hips to the floor as much as your mobility allows you to. So if we're here, we're going to straighten out our outside leg. We're going to bend the front leg, sit back into that imaginary chair, squeeze our abs, and keep our chest up. At this point, we're pushing away from the leg that's bent and the leg that has the weight. So as you push away, do not push away from your toe like this. See how my heel is up? We want to keep our feet flat. Push from your heels and the outside portion of your foot to come back to that standing position. All right? Giving you a side view. I'm going to actually shift to my right side. One leg is straight. I'm putting pressure on this hip. My chest is up, tummy braced. And you can notice on this outside foot, I'm on my heel. And then I come back to standing position. Now that burns, right? What you want to avoid in this movement is your shoulders, or I should say your torso, upper body is sagging forward. So you don't want to lunge to the side and collapse at the waist. Okay? You want your hips and your knees to give you that movement of bringing your body down. All right? So keep practicing this one, stay consistent, and thank you for joining me for today's how-to. See you on the next video.